Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G22 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here, we've got 4 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from the live wallpapers and Google Photos, which is actually your own gallery, the wallpaper and style, and defaultly installed wallpapers. So I highly recommend to tap on wallpaper and style, and here as you can see, you can check the preview of the lock screen and home screen. Simply tap on change wallpaper, because here we can find much more albums in which we've got defaultly installed wallpapers. So all you have to do is to simply open the album and find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Let me pick, for example, this one. And as you can see here, we've got the preview. We can also change the position, let's say, of the photo. We can, let's say, cut it, crop it, just like we want to. Here we can check how it will look like on the home screen and the lock screen. What's more, after tapping on this info icon, you can check who's the author of the wallpaper. We can tap on those arrows to check it on the full screen, how it will look like. So let me go back. And basically, in order to set this wallpaper, just tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner. And as you can see right now, we can decide where we want to set it. So we can set it as a lock screen only, or both, I mean home and lock screen. So I will pick this option. Let's wait a second, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been set successfully, and we had been immediately transferred to the homepage. So as you can see, it has been immediately set. We can also check the lock screen to be sure, and as you can see, it is also visible on the lock screen. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Motorola Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.